Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Cheesy from Lifestyle Podcast. Today in the studio, Size Lavada. Mr. Mof.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hayi siyabonga mthana. Ngesiphithi towavela wafika.
Yes.
Siyabonga mdala. Soze siqale isikhathi sakho sitheni. Singabantu from koBulawayo ngithi kontuthi ziyathunqa kumbe ngithi komthakazi komfazi oshaya indoda
inyama ayipheli phela amazinyo endoda
lamazinyo endoda yaphela so mdala sifuna ukuthi mhlambe ungasithi clarity thina njengabantu abasakhulayo yabo sicina sifika kwezindawo lapho esidinga khona abadala of which isikhathi esiningi sifika lapho sekumoshakele so ufuna ukuthi uhlufake mdala uhlufakele le warning sign time mfane whatsoever le danger zone mabuthi danger zone understand
Batwana yes.
Ayingelele mdala
Siyabingelela lonke.
Siyabonga mdala
Ingabuyi sokuletha.
Lubuye lusazele isikhathi.
Okay, Mr. Mof. Mr. Mof, I'm very much sure, according to my research, ukuthi Mr. Mof is a man ekhulele endaweni yasesishoneni ngithi.
Yes.
And then Mr. Mofu had to move to endaweni yaseSindebele.
Yes.
I think he is the right person who can explain to us very much better about the two cultures.
Yes.
But kakhulukazi mfuna ukuthi usibambe namhlanje mfuna ukuthi usibambele kakhulu ku culture yaseshoneni angithi ngeke ngizothola sometimes let's say mina I wanna get married to a Shona lady
yes
siyafika mdala isikhathi leso vele ngizakuthina
asifika
ngizela ukuthi before sifika yabo sibe sesi yabo sesile that knowledge you understand
what can you expect
so ngeke ngizokuthiwa lichacha kanjani mhlambe ngicale lapha yabo mdala ama charges lisifuna kanjani lisichacha kanjani yabo sizathiwa kuyafika kudlala ngale
dingesabi ngumkhuba
okay
abantwana babe belungisiwe
okay
be prepared to get married.
Prepare down.
Umntwana is prepared.
Okay.
Now
how do you cook them? Okay.
A product.
Okay, I'm done.
Prepare njani?
How do you cook them? Mdala bakhukha kanjani?
Okay. Abantwana bakhuliswa nje kahle.
Yebo.
Phakathi komdeni wonke.
Yebo mdala.
Kulabo auntie, kulabo gogo.
Yebo.
Kulabangani, kulabo sawira. Yes. Yiba
badala mdala. Sifuna ukunderstand ukuthi express le kahle yona ephuma vile yabo.
Inkomo esithathwayo lapha kahle
why usiba lenkomo imvelo imvelo yikukulobodisa yes ukuthi umntwana ulotsholwe yes so ungakadele ukuthi ufundile hayi ukufunda
yebo
lokulobodisa is two different things
yebo
awuchatsheli ukuthi ufunde kakhulu kumbe kafundanga kakhulu hayi kule culture esiyiyo esilandelayo yes I culture esilandelayo
so lapha manje sithi umntwana abe prepare kahle Dutu umuntu lo mase ngimkhiphele mina inkonke zona le.
Umbuzo uzaselukhona mdala lapho vele ku comment section ukuthi preparation how. Sezo athi bakhona
isikhathi esiningi uma tata culturally.
Okay.
As expect ukuthi umuzi uzachitheka.
Okay. Because let's themba abantu abeni bakhulisa ngendlela eyiyo.
Siyabe sithi umntwana ungamona umuzi esuka elobodisiwe. Umuzi uchitheka that means that there was a failure of organizing somehow hayi abadala bayihlulekile khulisa umntwana
so yes from your culture you trust yourself on that one
we trust that.
We trust
Yes,
ourselves.
we trust that ukuthi nxa esiyalotshola lami ngicharge ngithatha inkomo zobuntu umntwana uyakwenza perfectly.
Okay.
Yes. So singa asikhangeli okwangale sikhangelo owethu angaze uwo umuzi uchitheka
phela umuzi mawuchitheka uchithwa ngabantu it's either lo ongasowenu lo wena but lina on your own side lizama ukumake sure
ukuthi owethu
ngiyabonga mntana lapho siyabonga mntana lapho okay
so ngezinye indlela that's why bethi amashona they charge vele
we charge yes
Tala
sistembile
okay don't ngicela understand mntana don't you think ukuthi the way you charging abakhwenyana mina ngithi
yes
don't you think ukuthi lapha ubudlelwane labi angazi ukuqinisa kumbe lapha ubudlelwane ngoba lapha kahle sizama ukwakha ubudlelwane ngithi soma sombulala mdala umqongote ngizosala ngicela lo mntana wakho mina ngithi sesijombile lo mntana wakho manje akusela mali epokethi ngakusela lalela mntana lalela epokethi ngakusela lutho ngicedile mntana ngithi the next thing umntana wakho selamba angithi usiyaphuma phandle sesiyadinga don't ukuthi uyafa yini mntana
ayikho nasi charger sithatha imali liyana of course konke indleko zonke ozazenza
yebo
usiyabe expect ama returns
okay
ama returns we are always there lo ukhona we are always there ngemvelo wasithi umuntu engakhipha amalobolo
yebo mntana
umuntu wekhaya
okay
angaswela kuswelayo
yebo
uyabuya ekhaya
okay
abazukulu ibabela usinkomo
okay
lezo ezikhuthiwe ngale
okay
babe sidla ngezabo nxa efuna ukulima uyabuya izothatha
okay
isikhathi umntwana wekhaya umuzi lo ngowethu siyawuncedisana ukukhulisa
okay
not ukuthi uselobolile sesixoxa umuntu ukuthi hayi asisamfuni la hayi lo mkhwenyana ngumntwana wekhaya
okay
siyabeloko simhlonipha
ubuhlobo bakho wona
uyakhiwa ubuhlobo lapho
ukumphakamisa
right
ubuhlobo buyakhiwa
but then now my question is I feel like as like culturally speaking they are shown us but sizothola like I think it differs ngemndeni if I'm not mistaken because singathi ukuthi maybe wozibani bani bayenza izinto ngendlela ezithini wozibani bani
is
it like that into ekhona vela
into ekhona ukuthi
bottom line everything is expensive okay ngoyiqhubha
yes throughout emashoneni you find ukuthi their houses their families omofu oshumba
yebo
ozibani abavere maswingo abavere mrewa abavere mtoko
yes
but konke khonoko generally it's one yes
right.
we use almost the same
same culture same methods
siyalobolisa
right
singalobolisa we don't expect ukuthi
okay
ungathathi impahla yomuntu umuntu lona bese siyafaila
okay
no we don't expect that kwenzakala but it's a failure we call it a failure not for that two people but that married people but even for the families yes you have failed to
okay mdala kule mina I give you credit especially people from that side abantu abasuke esishonena ngithi I give you credit on this one abantwana libalayile ngendlela right I don't know lie njengabazala lizamile ukuphusha angithi to that level but ngisuka ngibe lenkinga lapho mdala ngithi umfuno not mina personal but I think umphakathi nje labanye abontanga abafana lami angithi baba le challenge lapho mase kuthiwa okay fine mina ngumkhwenyane bengizama ukwakha ubuhlobo angithi bengizama ukwakha ubuhlobo lo muntu angale sishonena angithi and then la kasiphiwa ngendlela efanayo yabo uthola ukuthi kwaba lo munye umkhwenyana angithi umkhwenyana like ubephiwe yabo ubephiwe and then la wasenika you understand mina angiphiwanga ngaleyo ndlela angithi ngaphiwanga ngaleyo ndlela kodwa nginika ngeheart but kuncane manje kunalokho elukhangeleleyo angithi accidentally kumbe ngithi unfortunately ngihlala lo mntana wena ngithi umntwana mhlambe adlule angithi ashona angithi
lihlezi lo
isihlezi sonke angaqedi ngale kodwa ngilesifiso angithi isandla sifinyelele yebo okay ngisuka ngixekeke lapho uzokuthiwa wena sokumele manje ukuze umuntu wona simlahle umkhuba wethu uthi you must pay this first Mtala icela khona uzama mtala ukuyibamba khona
ungabona kusibanjani ngemvelo that means that there was no relationship
ongeke ubuhlobo
kube kungena buhlobo obuqondileyo
okay ngicela ukuthi ngiqale futhi phansi
ntala you were not together all along
okay yes ungizwe kahle ntala bengizama angenelisanga ngithi ngilesifiso angithi Nhlanhlembi angithi umntwana sedlulile and angiqedanga lapha ya ubuhlobo sibe sami kulubakha la nibe libona njengabadala kodwa iculture iyaphila understand lithatha kanjani lapha
ya singalibali futhi ukuthi we have got greedy people some of these things this noise they are based on greedy kuyatholakala nje within all all round kuyatholakala there are some people who are greedy but there are some people naturally we can accept ishona culture can accept even umuntu ongakhiphanga lutho
that's why I think
as long you have got love in your heart you want umuzukhule uyancediswa lapha uthola ukuthi uyancediswa abakuncedisa maybe bayehluleka la uyehluleka you have got nothing but you are friends you are living together properly you have got no problem
so I think this thing doesn't have anything to do with it if family lakuzekile I think
people who just want they are waiting for somebody to die
you see?
So that they make noise and make money why didn't they make noise before
before everything
yes, because you must make all noise when they are still living
I'm saying this based on a story ngasizwa ngithi there's one of my uncles angithi ubethethe khona ngale eMpumalanga ngithi uthethe ngale then unkosikazi wasishiya unfortunately unkosikazi wasishiya uthe sishile unkosikazi then laba abantu basebuya okushalo bayala ungena ekhaya okay uthe kuyala ungena ekhaya kwenzakala amaminzo ukuthi bengene ekhaya bangene ekhaya but what they did bangcwaba umuntu lwana phambi kwendlu yabo bamngcwaba ekitchen like phambi kwekitchen understand bagebhe igodi phambi kwekitchen balahla umuntu yabo so ithiwani into efana naleyo
ikhona ngilanduli but it's not really we cannot really say that is a culture that is our culture no but kukhona okuyabe kufikisana abantu bayabesilwa impilo yabo yonke besilwa abanye sebethatha ama chance to fix this one let us do this to fix this one let us do this but that is not nothing to do with
culture
our culture
it has to do with our family or taking your
nothing to do with normal culture
it makes sense ababa said khawulisana lapho tuthi
but Tala wena as you are mtala ngithi wena kodwa uthi allow ukuthi umntana wakhe azengcwatshelwa endaweni enjalo yini ngesizathu sokuthi mhlambe asibe mina lawe sibe lama misunderstanding but this is your child after all angithi umntana wakho wena ungazi ube lesibindini sokuthi emlahlele endaweni enjalo enxa ukuthi wehlulekile ukuzwisisana la kumbe alinikezanga umlomo omuhle kumbe whatsoever the issues awenzakeleyo ngithi so ngazi wena uzomlahlela la phambi kwekhishi ingabi phambi kwekhishi ekhaya asingakhuluma konke ingabi phambi kwekhishi
kuyatholakala
into ekhona
kodwa wena ungayivumela yini
into ekhona
njengomofu etshela umhlaba
yes nxa ngifundisa abantu angeke ngifundise into enjalo
yebo
but out of culture
yes
I can do it
okay
depending on situation, but out of culture yes
right.
using my personal heart
okay
but using my culture no akuvumi
okay
ngoba I am there ukuncedisana labantwana
okay
ayisi ukuthi
so now like
no one is perfect anyway no one is perfect culturally we say
akekho umuntu perfect ngoba
but kuyatholakala khona but culturally we don't accept
okay generally we are done with this one generally Mr. Mof libiza njani mntala maselibiza lafana hayi usimalisele nje sifuka ushaya nje graph mathematics nyana sifuthi uphuma malini
uthatha malini khona okwenzakala
imali isishiyana
okay
yes nge-demand yomuntu
but
we sit down as a family generally you sit down as a family yes you start Matekenya Ndevu you start
okay sabe mtala Matekenya Ndevu okay Matekenya Ndevu ikhona yini esindebeleni
hayi
okay twangeyani le
uMatekenya ukukhulisa umntwana edlalisa indevu zikababa uyamukubela imali
madoda ngelabi mina indevu zikababa mofu wathi
indevu phakathi kobaba nomntwana nokumhlisa indevu
so uyazikhuphela wena
okay then another one
next one mafukuza dumbu ukuthi umntwana wayedlalela esiswini sikamama
mntana but play for kababa phela lecture
phakathi komama nobaba
okay another one
and then the girl uyadobha la imali uyaqamba la iprice yakhe uyaphiwa imali yakhe
okay umuphi lo
yes unkazana yena lo
oyendayo
okhutshelwayo
la uyathola imali
yes uyathola
phela cho
imali azaqalisa ngayo lapha ayakhona azathenga ngayo imbiza zakuqala
so le mali truth sometimes sincedisene mina lokugela ukuthi si raise yokuthi sizonikeza njengabadala ngithi la futhi seyifuna
futhi
mantombazana the great
abahlakaniphi
le mali yabadala
bona babeyazi ukuthi niyabe imali izophela wena yakho ihamba
another the next one
i next one auntie balokudobha imali umama naye unokudobha yakhe imali sokubuya isibaya
okay andobha imali yani lapha
uanti la uyathola imali yakhe ayitholayo
uyenzeni
yes as a mediator ube
uyomedisa
okay
yet mistress
okay
then umama understand fine okay
ule mali yakhe ayichargeayo asichargela yona free yes abele yakhe imali
hlile kahle umama madoda sokubuya ekhanda fonga ukuthi hayi ngifuna kuyi 5000 ongasho lutho okay
sokubuya kubaba that is manje kuyahambelana ngesindebele ukhangaziwe
kangaziwe
alright
sokukhushwa ke izimali ezikhangaziwe
bantala ngisintroduce igama lami nguMalcolm Ngolela mphume endaweni so ufuna ungazi kanjani ufanele ngibhatale futhi
yes
okay
usazi siyazane laphana phume khonapho kule grocery yes amafijongo
yabona
ngaphansi kwamakhaya
uyabona manje okay
grocery kuyabhalwa phansi into ezifunakalayo
umbani obhalayo
umabhalani secretary
yes ngapha ifamily yonke iyabonisana ibe le list
okay
ezayihambisa kumkhwenyana abiseni
imali
ukwanisayo
okay
obisa ukwanisayo
kodwa sikufuna konke remember
ayibona ukwanisayo
konke
okubhaliweyo kuyafunakala
wadlala manje
but into engiyithandayo ngomkhuba lo uyachaza abakhwenyana kakhulu
okay
kwakungagutshwa amafoni kodwa lezi insuku bona abakhwenyana baba bathi mangaqeda konke athi hayi umama akachajanga ifoni sicela umama charge phone
probably ngaba bakhonyani bangale khona ngoba lezi sesindebele ngithatha konyiwe la
yibo manje
bacela bethu phone futhi
bathi phone phezulu
cheesy ndebele people got
money siba the airtime
mama ngakhohlwa nje nithi
amadata
abanye phela mina uzothola mama ukhohlwa njani imoto
lokana nxa kucharge of course yanti indawo eyabisenzakala into zonke abantu kuyacaza lokho kwindawo kahle asonto yokulwa
la nxa kwenziwa ngabantu abangelandlala mdala leyasibeke obala
kuyacaza into ecazayo uzobona amakhwenyana zokuthiwa hayi sicharge lokho kodwa nxa liloku elilakho
yebo
likhululekile
Okay mdala sesizwile lapha umama secelo kwakhe intombazana secelo kwakhe ubaba sesikhiphile amagrocery ubaba sikhiphile kwangaziwe and then what next
kulamasudu ka lama le hembe sika mama
kukhona lokho kukhona esindebeleni lokho another one
hayi lapho umkhwenyana uyabe sesimuntu oyaziwayo ekhaya usekhululekile
welcome home
yes usehlonitshwa njengamanye abantwana usehlonipha naye njengamanye abantwana ayisikuthi nxa esekhuphile usekhululekile ukuthi yena usengahambe ransa nje
babadala mdala another one I understand sesikhuphile sonke singabakhonyana yonke into abadala abahepa ngithi sisiphile emhlabeni nje olosathana ngithi kwenzakala mdala ngephutha back in the days abadala bekuthi mangashona umuntu unkosikazi lethe ngithethe unkosikazi esishoneni angithi kuma ngithethe unkosikazi weeve ngithethe khona ngithi even esindebeleni bebekunika umuntu ozo let's say ushonile unkosikazi wami belinika lini udade wabo likwenza njani ngapha you still do that thing or bekuyi old time thing lena sangeni le ndaba lesi
Old Testament
that was culture
kwakuyi old time but ngokuthi lihlezi njani ekhaya laye uziphethe njani kulokukhulumisana labo anti wakhe labo gogo labangani uyabe sengumuntu oselamangani phakathi komuzi lapha azakhuluma yena ukuthi ngabe ngiyobangenze so kumbe ngakwenze so wathi kuyahamba nje kuyi information lapha yes okuza trigger ukuthi bona bakhululekile yena okhululekile kuyenzakala it's very soft
manje dala cabanga semina senginikwa sokuthiwa fine ngiyintombazana mina sokuthi wona usiyakuba ngumalukazana ngale tela kodwa kwakuphuma yena kuzimethe onkhona
it's not by force all parties ziyabe zivumelene la yes kuyabe kuvumelene ndaba that's why ngithi okuyi-information la kuhambela phansi
kusasa kusezokuthi yena nguye phela obulalo udade wabo lo ngoba befuna phela ingena kanjani
but not really hayi kwenziwa kahle ngabantu abahlakaniphileyo abe-culture hayi asingeke siku-write off ukuthi hayi akungasayenzakala
Poison. Do you have anything to say? Umntana nango boy.
Lo oza awungayagcina. Nguye okwazi ukugcina abantwana laba. Okwazi background yonke umuzi ngoba asisahluphana. Sesikwazi ukuthi kulo wethu ngale. Labo ngale bayakwazi ukuthi no izinto zingazichitheka zichithwa ngo.
But I think mina personally I think of course it's good masikuthethe ngelinye uhlangothi but kulenye indlela phela singabantu sicabanga ngendlela ehlukile yabo uzele sengizele manje labantwana and sengithethe unkosikazi wesithu ngoba oqala ushonile but usele la uchiya abantwana la yabo kwenzakala sometimes ukuthi maybe ngeenga yabantwana or something kumbe kudelela kumbe kubize ngana ngazi angithi abantwana besuke sebevukela ubani umamncane wabo lo angithi bethi wena you are the one who killed our mother ngoba ufuna ubaba something like that. I think lento yaphila. Do you think it's do you recommend ukuthi izinto zihanjiswe ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi uselokhu zile considering ama feelings abantwana and everything?
I think.
Do you recommend ukuthi the next sister ne angene la considering ukuthi abantwana la bazo you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not really. Ukuthi ngayi encourage ukuthi kwenziwe. But this thing happens so naturally.
Okay.
Not out of greed. But just like umphwenyana usengumuntu osechonelwe usele, he is now free.
Okay.
To choose.
Okay.
But he is also free to choose from the family.
Okay.
He is not bounded not to say because he was married to our family, to my son, to my child, to my daughter. He is no longer supposed to marry another daughter of mine.
Okay.
No. He is free to choose. But he can choose also from my my family.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yes.
Dala, do you think khona mhlambe izinto that you wanna educate us cultural ishona cultural ngithi ocabanga ukuthi mhlambe thina singabe sizivalele ngaphandle mhlambe sesingaba khona vele ongafuna ukuthi usivulele zona mdala njengabantwana bakho yabo ukwenzela ukuthi lola lelela athole something
right abafana ngikhangele wabafana
yebo mdala
lithathe esishoneni
yebo mdala
ungangeni lo mthetho owakho.
Okay.
Ngoba abafana yes aba 1820 yiwo ama ages 25 yiwo ama ages okuthatha yena uyabe sesele theory yakhe a way of marrying engayisiko.
Mind you, we are mixed here, especially here in Bulawayo. We are mixed.
We know.
So mina ngilama cultures akithi ngapha angithi and since yahlangana la ama cultures angapha liyasivumela yini ukuthi ama cultures la so amix
kakhulu ama cultures lawa wonke ngasikhangela ngemvelo they are one.
Okay. Asuke kodwa
they are one. Ngoba you have to marry a wife a lady you like.
Okay. Then
lapha lapha usuvela mthanda also you have to stay with the wife both cultures
proper applies. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
No violence in all cultures.
Of course. Okay mdala ngifuna understand lapha mawusethi thina sisafuna ukushada ngithi for mesindebelene masiza ngapha komakhelwana ngithi singazi with our own rules lapho mfuna ukuthi ungathi ayifaki beclear kahle izinele yodwa lapha.
Yes. Loko ngicholo not from other cultures or from other cultures. Even the Shona guys they also get into other houses with their
own culture,
their own rules. It's not culture now. It's
their own rules, their own methods.
Yes.
For example,
I'm funa ukucharge le imali ningi mfuna encane.
Phela siswama simchargeanga kanje.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
It should move. Kumele ube wathi lapha iculture le yenza kanje izinto. Because when I keep in
you inquire ahead.
Yeah, can't when I say usuke emndenini you from Ndebele family and you expect ukuthi lapho uchatela khona beyenza izinto the same way.
It's the
you see
other culture.
But okay, Dad. I think from my own observations, Dalan, ngibona ngathi a guy from Mashonena ngithi coming to marry from Mandebele and it's a bonus to them. And it isn't it?
Yeah, they call it that way.
Yeah.
Kwaze kwenzakala ngahamba siyalobonisa esindebeleni.
I'm sure mkhona ngazozibuza. Kanti ayikho kuphela khona.
Sebetshintshile.
Okay.
Hayi ngafika sibili kodwa hayi imali yokungena ekhaya 5,000 sikhuphukile bathi siyahlanganisa konke lokho amatekenya divaya sikwazi
sithi gaga yona ikhamba isigaga lokho inteke nendevu
baza divide water.
Okay.
So so
sokuchintshile now I think we getting one accord
we are getting into one chord.
Okay.
Yes. Akusela umuntu ochipileyo.
Akusela umuntu ochipileyo. Yeah, it's true.
But ndala mina ngibona ngathi ngokuya ngithi angazi uthoni ukubona kanjani. Ngokuya nguye abantu bazohamba besehlisa izinga lokulobola.
We are coming to that. I cannot deny that.
Ngoba dala imagine
ingoma seko.
Imagine there's this
ingoma sagcinwa uyalobola
but it's going to change, but I think in terms of maybe inkomo yeni but imali kuzokhuphuka.
Esayizindaba imali Joe. Imagine today ne wena umlobolile lo muntu angithi just ansekho kuma tribes sengisithi nje general.
Yes.
Apparently umuntu umlobolile uthi umlobolile kusasa se pregnant.
Yes.
Seprekiswe ngomunye umuntu. Ongayisi mina ngilobolile. La refunda yini mdala?
Lawo ngama problems atholakala ekhaya.
Yebo phela.
Kuba ukuthi asike sikhulume ngokurefunda.
Yeah, ayidala but kanti uyibambe le ndaba manje. Kanti uyibambe ngesandla sokhona.
La uyabona la lapha sekhiphile imali.
Ubizile wena ukangaziyo. Ngashaya ngaziwa. Wacela itekena ndevu. Ngazitekena indevu mdala. Wafuna ukwaziwa ngaziwa. What is boy? Whatever. Ngakosana ngakuthi umdala ngaze ukuthekela le iPhone mdala. Okay, no umuntu sesiyakuba pregnant. Kwenye indawo mdala.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
Manje ngithini phela mdala? Akumelanga iphele kwa unfortunate. Angithi umntwana limphekile lini. And you believe ukuthi uphekekile. Angithi.
Isikhathi esiningi. Umuntu esekhuphile. Uyatshelwa lapha ususiya ngapi? Lapho ususiya khona.
Yebo.
Uyehlala kuhle uzibambe.
Ngiyabonga mdala.
Umkhwenyana swedira la, hlala la.
Yeah.
Ahlale phambi kwenkundla. Mkhwenyana. Inkomo. Singiyakho. Uyazelusela.
Okay.
Ingadle masimina abantu. Ngobhadalayo.
Ay. Okay mdala.
Lingithengise.
Okay mdala. Okay. Alright. Ngiyakuzwa mdala la manje.
Asisela amandla naye.
Ngaleyo ndlela mdala. Listen.
Alright.
Okay mdala. That way uwinile mdala. But ngikhona ngisasekhona mdala.
Okay,
this is a product. Mdala njengoba udayisa ama products. Ngakubuza mdala ama products akuyathemba yini? Wathi wena ngiyathemba. Wathi wena ngathi wafake payment. 17,000 ngamshawa 17,000. Ngaphinda ngathi guys bonus ye 5,000 mdala ngithi ngoba ngithemba le product othiyona ungithengisela yona isharp na i product
but mina
2 minutes 30 seconds i product nazi sibheda sikhambile yakuhle masimina abantu mdala
so wena ngokuthi sikuwe la wena uthi product uyehle kuyo.
Okay ngiyayizwa umdala ngithengisela product wathi product right but i product iyabheda ke yabo
i product lapha sibhedizwa ngubani manje la soko
listen up
yeah
product mina angikho sure ukuthi ibi right vele before angithi wona kodwa mabili bisebengike product wathi product njani right angithi okay mina now sengikhupha imali yami ka product sengiyithethe angithi manje nansi product sikhamba futhi sise mdala come on mdala ngifandali mdala
mina alright le yayizwa cheese alright but mina i-question yami alright
yes
okay maybe they say we are still in the process. Angithi vele imali we keep yonke yawa. Maybe so keep it wafika to stage maybe sitting some groceries wangazi. Kuyenzakala right into enjalo. What happens?
Ukuthi
umuntu ofuka umthatha umbethwa semithi somunye umuntu in the process. In the process.
Hayi lokhana we have to solve a story. Isenzakele bathi asikhuthazi into enjalo.
Okay. What do you do
in the process lenzani?
So process lapho siphise off down angithi but nansi lenkomo sikhabe yakudla futhi kwamakhelwane
ingakaqedi.
Osidli ngithi sidliwe ngathi sihambe yakudla kangathi umjini sidliwe kwamakhelwane
sidliwe
nayi inkomo sidliwe mdala kwamakhelwane
lapho ngingasakhulumi culturally ngikhulume
like
generally or kuma judges
yebo
yes you deserve refund.
Yes.
Mtala siyabonga mtala.
Now
azibuyele ekhaya inkomo mata azibuyele ekhaya inkomo.
Azibuyele esibayini baba.
Yes, to be fair.
Yeah.
But then isikhathi esiningi iculture iyabe ingasakhange ayikwazi ukuthi kule fairness.
Okay.
Now usukhuphile inkomo. Usukhuphile.
Ayikho into ethiwa fairness.
Yes. Ungathenga iPeugeot yakho, iPeugeot yonke is very strong.
Okay.
But ungayichiya lapha ungabekanga ama brake.
Idla baba.
Iyahamba.
Iyachilela. Mtala ya. Yazi bafethu lapha sisuka sisithengele udubo kahle kahle. Ikhonsithi mtala yabo. Yabona that's where my point comes from. Ukuthi yabona kuzoya ngoya kwesikhathi ne.
Yes.
Si encourageana njengabontanga ukuthi bafethu asehliseni izinga lokulobola. Lapho versus lento soy encourage swehle sokhuluma futhi njengabafethu ukuthi mdala kulobola kuhambe kwagcina mhlawumbe ngani khona ngale so kusehla kusiyaphansi.
Yes.
As long as sesikhona thina sehlisa level lokulobola mdala ngoba kuyafiwa phansi la
lokulobola mina
ungakhula lawe uzokulobolisa uzabona ukuthi no kumele kukhwele futhi
yeah
ngoba ukondla umntwana kunzima.
But ukondla umntwana mdala siyakuzwa ngithi it's a very hard thing ngithi bicha na umntwana sele headache bicha na umtsuku school fees bicha na sokuyilokho ngithi but lami ngondliwe njengoyindoda mdala ngithi
but owami umntwana very intelligent esikolo ngamfundisa waya kuma university.
Get my point.
University sethathwa
okay
sehamba the pay yonke.
Get my point mdala. Get my point Mofela ngithi mina ngithi I think ithina abantu besilisa sisencindizelwe esikhathi esiningi ngithi
most of the time
asiyali ukuthi indoda kumele ibe provider kumele iyenze ABCD for the opposite gender ngithi kodwa kufika khona lapho kufika khona ukuthi umfazi uyalotsholwa ngoba ufundile maybe mina lama degree ngi1000 mina self ngifundele kwedlula ifamily yonke lengahlanganisa ama degree ngakwana ku degree yami ama degree yami ngi1
but you won't keep imali
but man ukuthiwa mina ngipinde ngikhipha imali ngithatha udanda yabo ngithatha udanda ngiyamudanda ngiyamthatha mina ngimletha nga kuthiwa mina futhi ngiphinda ngibhadale mdala hayi ake lisibalansise lapho ndingabadala
hayi lokho sinqa sikubalansisa sesingani sithathela elizwini ilizwi lenkosi uAdam nguye owaphiwa konke ukuthi akhangele izinyamazana akhangele konke kwabuya uEva engenalutho uEva kabalela ukuthi ulenyamazana even eyodwa ayiniki ibizo hayi konke kusemandleni kabani
ka Adam okay
la uEve ugcina ngubani futhi uAdam
but mtala
so lapha irresponsibility endoda
ngiyayibonga mtala ipoint yakho letha yanje
yes
uthi uEve ugcina ngubani uAdam mangithi indodakazi yakho ngiyithethe mina ngithi ngithethe ngiphungula iresponsibility kuwe ibikushayisa ngedek yabo ngiyayiphungula iresponsibility kuwe angithi ubuya futhi uyambhadalisa ukuthi mina ngithethe umthwalo wakho ngokugcinela antela lisilungisele la
but I think to that point food like it's a product it's like ngohamba uyothenga imoto cheese imoto lana uzoyithenga wena khona ngalo ithenga khona 5000 izobiza ukuhlupha wena.
Yes.
Ngozomela uyiservice, ngozomela uyenzeni.
Uyigcina ingajojo ngamasela.
Now it's uwe ndoda.
So labantu vele impahla nje kuphela.
It's a but you see,
thank you very much. Mr. Mof, do you have anything to say? Maybe 1 or 2 3 words. Maybe ama motivative words to abontanga abasakhulayo, labantanga abasafuna ukushada. This is the camera, camera yakho le. Ngokhuluma mhlawumbe uyibhekile sesifuna ukuvala.
Bantwana khulani lilobole likhuphe konke okufunakala ngobani obabazala omamazala
izinto zosikhathi
livumelane yes ayisiko ukuthi uyakhupha uqede hayi kodwa kube lesivumelwano bakuthande yenza ukuthi lawo uthandeke lapha ekhaya yes ube ngumuntu ugcine obabazala labo mamazala ugcine abazali bakho.
Okay siyabonga mntana siyabonga kakhulu lapha mntana ngicela phela ufake futhi elinye imotivative word kumantombazana abantwana benesibathathayo abangamantombazana
bakhiphile imali
amangazana yenzani kuhle yenzani
kuphile mntana yocophile yo
na usungene ku marriage yakho akula umuntu o special
okay
akula muntu wena uyathathwa ngumuntu ongenamali lihlangane liye kwenza imali eningi.
Yebo mntana.
Uyathathwa ngumuntu onemali eningi liye liphinde lijombe selihlezi lonke.
Siyabonga.
So akumelanga uphume emendweni ngoba indoda
seyingenile.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.